Welcome back to PFS Films, guys. Guess what? This is PASSA 14. What me say? 1 and 4, 14. But guess what? I can bring it to 30, but the problem is we need it to go like 30. Let me get 30,000 a day for each one of them, or 40,000 go up. Life would better for the actress, them life would better for me, and I could have posted every day or every other day for show you how life would be more easier. Me I go to some good movie, a matter of fact, different from what me I shoot now. Me already write them in a book, because what me I do now is from my head, it's not from the book. Now a whole heap of story me I write here now, so I start launch them out and I start shoot them, but the problem is, it's going to take a longer while to shoot them one day, and it's going to take a longer while to edit, and then me I make trail of them, but then I'm going to post it now, probably in August, probably in September, or probably in December, because then the movie, then me I go waste my own money to get it done perfectly for sure, and say, I can do good movie, but good movie costs money. You have to do the air, you have to rent hotel, you have to rent a rich mansion. And I tell you, I check one guy if you rent a mansion now, no one talk on the camera right now, how much if you do that movie in that the mansion there. I mean I talk under 100. I mean I talk in the 100. Let's talk about in the 200 going up. But me I work on it still out of my pocket now deal with it, because I'm not going to ask anybody to sponsor towards that movie. I am going to do it. And then when we do it, I know so we start giving me sponsor account to go to say, yeah, he's now doing good movie. But I think I chat too much. Yeah, I chat too much. So please like, share and subscribe. And one more thing, if you don't see Kana and Kayla in the movie, they are on vacation, guys. So now you understand, it's family time, so they're on vacation. I respect family, and I give family blessings, and all the young mothers them out there, God bless you all. Please do not go back for another one, because it's getting hard, and I tell you it's going to get harder, you know. And look $1,000 what them put on in July, it don't make no sense. It's stop a gap to me, but it don't make no sense to who have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pitney. But God bless you all and the viewers, and the younger one who pass the bigger high school, God bless you all. I want to go to high school, don't waste no matter money. Please and thank you, because it's not right. Oh yes, and another thing, it's a good thing remember from cut out this. Belmont, you need to call me number 347-9470. You make me buy a 1 bag of 7th grade textbook. And my daughter do not pull that bag and use 1. Why? Call me and tell me why. I want to do them book because them brand new. Anybody I know pick me I go to Belmont in a 7th grade, link me upon that number here, because I buy the book them and my daughter do not use them. They don't know why they don't make them use them. I waste some money, you know how much money I waste? That the money they could have helped me right now. God bless you all. They chat too much.
Papa in the middle of the carelessness, babe. Passa. Papa, I have kids on top of kids and no mind none. Lord, this is more than babe. Passa. Every day him gone a bar, gone drink rum. What a careless father that Papa is, Papa. Him love rum more than him family, now work a shaman. Money him a drink out shaman. Lock down the account, what stress now on Papa. Passa. Yes, him is a careless father. Abe passa. Be passa.
Hello. Good morning.
Hello, morning.
You know, Papa?
You know, I hope I don't know when I come by them this, you know, man.
Come by. What do you mean by come by?
But know him, yes, but I be a young girl him there with.
Oh.
So where you want him from?
Cause my mother said my father and them in the area and live, and my mother said he not mind me and something, so I want to see him to ask him why he not mind me. And then normally say when the father and mind me have big house with AC and pool, so I walk with like a swimwear.
Yeah, man, you have all 4 AC in one room too.
So you know who me attack?
Yeah, we can't carry go there, man.
Can so you can't just tell me away.
No, we can't carry go there. Come on, follow me.
But my daddy, you tell me where else they still.
You go laugh, you know, make no sense.
So if you laugh me.
Me not go laugh, me know a whole place, me know a whole area.
The first thing I just me buy, what piano man in concubine? Yeah, when I concubine them?
No. You see me look old enough. It's like you in love. So me have to say.
Oh, me look to me.
You're young enough.
How old me look to?
18.
Oh, me big. Me very much bigger than that. So, how far we walk go?
We up some man.
We up where?
We up someone, we are one part.
I'm tired.
So I tell you, say you alone can't go there. Feel like say make you over there.
But me alone could have walk go.
We up so you live.
We up so far.
Big house, you know. Pool on our back, pool near there.
So you know what?
Yeah. That's just I know a whole place.
The pool them big. Me nah that fit me. Oh, so me alone have. So me can no mind me then.
Say hold on back on through me.
I know me tired. So
what's up? You know say. So where did I go?
Good morning.
Good morning, baby girl. You alright?
Yeah.
Are you daughter?
No, that can't be my mother. Look how she look.
That this thing.
I don't know this thing, but you could be my mother.
So why you stop me on the road and then I can't this me?
Me stop you and tell her.
No, I know my daughter.
Me simply ask her if you follow me, go show me my father yard.
Are you relative?
Your father, yeah. Who
Are your brother? Pitney.
Who are your father, little girl?
Meet your auntie.
My auntie?
Yes, your brother, your father, my sister.
Brother, your father?
Yeah, and she follow me go up her yard.
Up a who for yard? Your mother?
No, up her yard. She said she know her way, so she don't follow me.
So what you do, you so?
She follow me go to him.
But you long past your father yard.
She said far up so. I me tell her I said hope she not last me and she said she know where she gotta go.
What child you know say I got me for they got card it's on heart. Forget me forget.
Oh, you
say
forget where you now move from. Eh? You forget. You're really Popeye daughter?
Yeah.
You say Papa and father, me meet her down the road.
And I take her away.
Take her away.
Where you take her? Young lady, what your name?
Trish.
Trish. Hey. Trish means the Auntie Charmaine. Papa is your father is my brother. Lord, bruh. Me don't know what number you come under now. How old you be?
20.
Jesus. You have a sister named Kena?
No.
You do know. Alright.
She said me one.
For your mother?
For everybody.
For your mother. She tell me say she all the pitney mother have.
No. Me ask her say for me alone me father have and you say yes.
No, you said you're the only child for your mother.
No, me
that's
have
what
sibling.
you said.
No, me said to her say, and me alone my father have, and she said yes,
I
and
thought
she said
you said you're the only child for your mother.
She said he have 4 AC in a one room and 2 big pool on her back.
Monsieur Adaman, let me tell you this. You learn your first lesson, Trish. You learn your first lesson. You see this? This is not to be trusted.
So
would you believe this? Live with your papa.
I'm not carrying somewhere else.
And I take you somewhere else. Come, my baby. Me no know. don't trust it, yeah?
Yes.
And you have many sisters. Your papa have a girl back. May your auntie come. Me don't know where she
can't go kill you.
Come.
So what if me not like them? As far where walk go?
You reach
And you
now.
know say little ugly woman me pass the yard and me did see it in but me never know say I eat this cause a concrete
yes,
house
but-
they say. I didn't hear that.
No, darling.
So she looks so.
Meet your sister.
Me who?
Moody. Let's start bring another baby into the yard.
How much more to go?
Me don't know, bruh.
I mean
This is your father, daughter as well.
so the yard looks so. And look pan, you can't clean up your yard so your girl pit me. My yard could never look so cause my mother would have AK one away up there. All the broom out the door for in her house.
You know what kind of boo?
All the machine them you can't fix up the place.
You know what kind of boo?
I see it all.
I feel your yard. You come here, come see me though. I feel your yard, I feel for you.
No mother too long.
You come here, come. You damn midget, you the cost money tall. Go and grow.
Me have midget but me have like a pound. You long and come like them string bean.
String bean don't have pounds.
That's why you long and come like string bean, baby love. Me have midget.
Go and get some height.
Go and get little weight.
Hi, bother you.
Trisha, the Trisha.
My shortness not bother you. I want them long time serious girl, yeah, man. I want them all these back here. Don't feel like
Hey, come finish with a roll
to be so loud. You could have taller than me, but me not feel to knock you down here.
Hello, come here, look at style. Stick a little kettle.
To put me on the pan, you should have favored the kettle. See the kettle there. Beside that kettle, you should have favored.
Hi.
Are you damn long and mad? You come like the million.
Wait.
Where she come from?
Who come here, cousin? Who did something? Who did
Yeah, this
something?
is my
She said
What she just said a while ago?
that her pa name is
Stacy, my mother and
Popeye.
Stacy sent me down here. Stacy said my father lived down here near Popeye.
Stacy.
how much Stacy you go with Popeye?
Stacy,
Stacy, where you knocked 2005, yeah.
William.
See me here, yes, see me here.
Oh,
Jesus.
The amount of woman.
So what is? Cause
What is that? Where she come from?
better deal with it.
no, yeah, go on like say you better than me. You're my taller than me, but
Listen.
I will take your
Let me tell you
tackle.
something.
I am
here
his
right now.
daughter.
When
When
me
me come here,
me
take over.
He can't come in
No,
no
take
more.
over.
No,
This
how will
is
you
your
live? How you
auntie
live?
talking
How
now.
you live?
And now your sister talking and your auntie talking and I may pay for all of this. And if you nyam ya, I may pay for it.
No, baby, love me not name you, cause this house they come like you can't hold
you
me.
better talk to your father.
How
You
much
better
all
tell your
there not
father
this
what
year?
is what.
Hello, Miss,
Yes.
like how you can't put me up, just give me 100,000.
Sis.
Hey,
Sis. Why you go dig up my old profile? Why you do that?
and you go breed up the whole of Jamaica, so now it is coming back to you. It is called karma.
Between me and your sis. Me think Stacy dash of the belly, you know. Me give Stacy.
You
Stop
can't
walk and breed people. You need to go out in a Jamaican find every picnic you have. You want to look at sperm donor.
manage.
Oh my God, picnic have come here, damn it, disrespect me.
One
Then-
more
then
with
the
the
bar, yeah?
One more with the man.
did
I
bar,
don't
yeah?
picture yet.
I am a banana girl. You just come.
I mean, not staying for long, baby girl.
You can
cause
leave
this house
from
is
now.
too old.
You can just take a U-turn and go on.
Hello. Me find out if it's the right
If you never walk and breed up everybody, nobody would have no contention and problem. No.
Stacy.
You breed people, put the family as one. See, can I come here? I never like me nor Tash. I don't know Tash yet.
Your mother last name is Williams. Please say no.
You stick with the ears.
If you say yes.
Why me no, God?
No bother with it.
Why?
When you did that, with the woman them, you never pre-say what
So wait
come.
Bye-bye. How why you never want mind me?
Ask him.
Cause if you mind string, you can't mind the bean.
Don't make
Him
it
no
fool
mind
you. Him no
them.
mind the pitney where him have. So nobody feel him gonna mind you. So you can take your leave from now.
Him no mind them there.
Giraffe.
Popeye, you don't mind me. When I'm hungry, I up the hill, I go up on my auntie yard.
Still my sister, still your mind the same way.
I know you mind me.
Giraffe.
Where the money come from? Midget.
On the done the argument.
Alright, easy. Let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you what happened. You see, when a man go to a bar and have drink more than what they can't manage, and they meet a woman, and they go and sleep with the woman, and things do happen. And when you find out that the woman breathe, and you get the money if you dash it away, and she keep it from me as a secret. I never know she bad.
I never know says a sin for dash you, you man. If it takes money, I take my life, you know. Why you never go dash yourself? Why your mother never dash you away? Why your father never dash you in a condom?
Let me teach you something, right? Instead I come on the earth and suffer, it better you flush it.
How would I suffer?
Oh dear.
It look like she did a suffer to me.
Look on me and look on she and tell me which one with that suffer.
See.
Alright. Your belly like she had 3 months pregnant.
No, make
Under over roof. Under over roof.
Make it 6.
No, yes?
Me no want to go and pick me under ya.
Oh.
Because
Nah, leave by example though.
You don't want a grandpity, but yet still in the walk breed of everybody. You see Kayla marching with the 2 them what she have fear.
Sometimes you pass it. That's still your father.
The auntie come
He ready to
looking
load up on me and
I
Kayla
tell
and
your
Tash.
father.
What in the load up on she?
Him still a
She
get
just
over the
come here
shop.
and load up on disrespect when
you
get.
never expect
Auntie
it.
talk to you. You never expect me either because you didn't want me to dash you too.
No. Me did tell her mother to get to a different man. I never tell him to dash you
Well, she
away.
never give me to me wrong, daddy.
Me not sure yet. I want to do it.
Oh,
When the money
So you
reach.
know, welcome.
Giraffe.
Welcome
All right.
to your child.
Alright, here now. Here are the rules go here now.
Which rules? Rules there, you look, sir?
It's when it's here, you do not flush the toilet until midnight.
I want to pour?
No, listen now. We conserve water. And it's washing machine water.
I was the machine that?
You're blind. Listen. You,
So if you wash my clothes, them know that?
yeah.
Your
Listen.
father is a rumhead. Here.
No, listen now. When you wash, you let go the water in one container.
For the what?
And you have bleach powder. You throw in there and make it dissolve and refilter.
I'll do what with that.
You can use it to flush the toilet or you can use it to bathe.
No, Giraffe will be with that.
And
Anyways,
parents, bro.
my mother say, me for tell you, say, she buy clothes put for my body for 20 years, so she not send me down here with none, so you need to carry me go shopping to get some clothes.
Oh.
Me know we are what left.
Me beautiful youngest daughter. Yes, the
That
one.
we know of.
Youngest daughter, so she how much?
18.
I look like 29.
That's where you go. That's where you go. Hard life. Hard life, Richard.
Yeah, the definition of hard life, Papa.
You get it from me still, so it flow through me to you. So you make the shut up. When are some of your belongings?
You're mad.
What? Take her shopping.
Papa, you know,
Look, I want to look for
When you
me.
want to take her shopping and I am alive, I want Kayla come back today. You ever buy
No
something
man, she
for me
attack
and
like
Kayla
she have
attach
secret
back?
for you.
Sis, you know, feel like you want to release
100,000.
the account back. You close it down. Last night,
yes.
we go over bridge, buy some front on top of the machine, and I try to draw $5,000. It still decline. Why you do me that?
Oh, God.
So
Father.
why you give me, why you can't go to bank and add me to your name and give me a card? I know you have put code for me. I don't like that you can't code me and lock me up.
Reaction, have a reaction.
Me go to a station today.
Yo, what you call her? Your violin, your string that you love to pluck. And then she says shekel calf to you.
Yes.
Thank you, my baby.
Your big
The
talk.
same woman. Oh, I forget to tell you this. Be careful of her.
What she
Pay
do?
Nelly. Never see your daughter.
Might as well. No, you're not even stressed right now.
You're not stressed because of what you
Oh, so you there with the poodoo.
I she there
The
with it.
poodoo.
Yes. So
The
that's why
poodoo will walk here. Me go sell me.
Make she take your daughter to them. Because in Africa, you have many wives, and so you say,
Yeah.
well then when you have the children them, you have to mind them as well as the wives. And you have the children them from the many wives. Look after them.
So daddy, how you manage?
She?
No, it's not a she.
The pudding?
Yes, the poodoo.
We put it in the oven and just left it make it check out.
So why the poodoo did one can make a wrong house?
You might as well money in the stress and no money in the job, you no money from the
Me not talk to you, giraffe, lock your mouth. But then again, your mouth
if you
can't lock.
open up your long mouth one more time, you will see what
In
happens.
pay better for you go to close here and don't start for me this morning. You know so if you have self you not self where you gonna look for your picture?
Then you can't manage this one here.
You know, I got to punish me. I feel that God is punishing me. Because me don't know how you still there and them never there. Me don't know how you and survive so long. God to punish me. Because you know many times
Bad mind.
you know many times I carry them in a back, go put on them mother door and me come back in my yard. Them there me doorway.
You is a
You know many times I put on in a suitcase and let look whole chewy for
And
ear
to
out.
And you know how many times God try get you there and he couldn't get you there?
And your mother and father never do that to you. You is a wordless brute.
Hello. Can you show me my bedroom, please?
Yeah, again. Stress and idiot.
You hooga, huh? Here, feel.
We
No Wi-Fi not there here.
Don't argue with our corner.
Wi-Fi not. Alright, later auntie. The sexy door. No Wi-Fi not there here.
I hear how this go now. You see light bill? On an adult, they split equally.
I like when you pay on them the way they run.
Yeah,
You can't fold me a TV like me have to a TV like this. Come. With the Wi-Fi there.
You see the Wi-Fi part now?
Yeah. But like bill, and I can't want to come trick me. What password?
Huh?
What password for the Wi-Fi? Me see Miss Chin, me see LIB, and me see LIC. Which one?
Talk to it.
Oh my God, it.
Get together, yeah.
Me and that can't get together.
No, live as one.
She need a room in the ear. Wait.
Like in
Give
the
her papa bed for yourself where she go sleep.
In a trash room.
Cash her papa bed?
It don't matter, she make you tight. Just get some the old clothes, you know, back in the days clothes they may have in there. Just get some,
And then me have to tell her she go sleep.
put her underneath the mattress, and she will sleep comfortable. We don't have no extra pillow, so you have to go,
Give me fear.
Okay, good.
I
Take
would like
care.
to see what's on the pillow.
She's the oldest one here now.
Remember, I'm man myself. Oh, I eat your daytime. You don't know. You go to the bar, you drink and you floss with the black-eyed girl and we come near me out. When if you spend the money here, they're not doing it. So say anything she wants, you provide it. I have to find what I want for myself, Papa. She's a daughter as
When
well.
you called me a while ago.
Papa.
Daddy,
You love like people. Go on over to the midget.
Daddy, you will say, and me bring you for the earth and me will take you back.
You never remind me. Show me proof how you bring me. Come here.
You under my roof. You move like the washing machine shaking.
Still I wait for the password.
Oh. Put in the password.
What did I say?
Put in the password.
Oh, me feel know the password.
Oh,
Lord.
Kimisha. I know. Oh no, listen. Nobody asked. Who named Kimisha? But I want to make a sweet.
Well, me I go ask, who is Kimisha? She breeding too? What pregnant she have?
Huh?
Well, me I go ask, who is Kimisha? She breeding too?
No,
What children she give you?
she don't have no picnic yet.
Oh, you know that?
That's why I save her as my password. Kimisha. Eh?
Oh, you know she have picnic.
I'm here and I roll most of the time, you know, every month.
When last one I roll?
Every month, my sister getting pension. They give her one like a 45,000. You got to grocery shopping, yeah. You know, you have to take care of the woman when they look good. Woman to get money, right?
The woman they come out your back?
Huh?
The woman they come out your back?
Remember I come out and
How
back.
much picnic you have for yourself with your mind? None. Not one.
My mind all have me picking them, you're bright.
Oh, how much your mind now? How much is the mind?
I don't understand.
How much of them come in your yard?
Hello, we don't do that here. We don't lang our tongue and we don't sit
No,
up here.
because of your tongue.
We don't. I want to ring, you know.
I mean, I use your phone snap.
I want to ring, you know. Hello, blue tongue. Big blue house. We talking to you. With your bonnet and ball to tear up.
After King, you don't make me be disrespectful. You did see? If you didn't mind me, more than a tear up bonnet. I'm here, wait for you to show me the room now.
Go on upstairs to the room.
May I sleep with that?
Oh, this time do your work.
You just ask if it open and it open.
Swing. Then it dirty. My God.
On the cook.
And the first room?
Huh?
And the first room?
Yeah, idiot.
Yeah, fool.
That's the master. Hey. Try make sure you control that, you know.
We're going to control that. You see, you now, remember say there, I'm not stable now. You and your woman sit on the bed say, no, say, one bucket sit on go on later, because the mattress soak, the mattress tear up, piss tea in the panny. One, deal with her. Are your blood, are your seed.
You told me don't wash.
Washing.
Pick up my machine and put it up.
Me and that?
Yes.
Sit down.
Put it up.
Something to eat. Your daughter I go hungry, she needs to know her room, you know.
Banana in the pantry. Me gone
Don't tell me that. Bye-bye.
Nobody makes you know what me gonna do.
Everybody know I run by your gun. Mine a picnic them and more won't walk come in. Oh man.
You're not hungry now?
If you sick and you're hungry, you just love a belly. You say yum. That's the way food I go.
I go somewhere.
Where I go?
Sorry.
What?
I'm a fired. Yeah, love me now.
Come on. So what? Me a good job. What's your? I tell you that.
Money, just off.
Yeah. You know what I'm say when I come from? I want some money hard. So where you there before?
I'm here.
Oh, you come from up there, so you have man up there, so?
Yeah, I'm going to stop playing. Stop playing.
Oh, you love man, so?
Suppose I love man car this summer.
You're not supposed to love man, because last man is there with. That's what when you're done out, and then you know, look, when you're soccer.
And your cousin say it. Remember your cousin. Car, it grippy something.
I never do nothing.
It grippy.
And the man come and say, and then you're done? And then
And you shot her cousin? It grippy, you shot her cousin?
And for your cousin, me shot.
For your cousin, you shot, remember?
Me shot.
What's out the secret now?
Hello, me not talk to Shay, you may talk to.
You come close on your talk. So where back for?
No, me not back to me.
Yes, so where you say now? But I say last man you there with talk to rumba when you drink rum, me say, if me remember the girl, the thick girl named Jada, and then you know look pleasant, and then you bumpy and sorry, and then you done out.
Who that again?
This a small one you have?
Hello, in brown? Or black?
Me if they have wave, you're supposed to know who you lie down with. You're supposed to know who you lie down with. You stop growing and lie down with the bag of man. Where you get out of that?
Papaya and job one.
The man call night.
Papaya no man, girl. I'm saying something like that. Where do papaya next one? Where do papaya?
Papaya have money.
Papaya me with the money. Are you papaya give money what there? Your sister take it from me.
Oh.
So we buy all.
Can your sister absent more than you?
So your papaya lie down?
Yes.
Your papaya say hold on. Inside girl.
And that thing said to her, if you text her, say it. And she come show me it.
And you will say, oh, they run bar one night. I drink.
And I'm drunk, me say one girl went fuck. Turn out.
You get 50,000 from him though.
That's fake.
That fake cause him not Lego money so.
I'm not doing the fly. I can't go down and be here.
You bright me be this man girl.
I'm not doing the fly for
You see a chunk, that's why me I said so.
I'm not talking about the soup, I'm talking about the ginger fly when they have fun.
Look round the so, you see ginger fly around there.
You don't see no owner some other
About the cow.
But the man love it though.
How you there go?
No question, I'm going big woman.
Oh, you go look it up.
No girl, I'm not anything.
A burger you want, you know? Burger to no come.
I don't need burger.
Come on,
and if you want burger, I have a man can cough by my burger. So I give him something there. When do you toppling? Me and the same thing. I mean you want the same thing.
When me a come, me a hear somebody a say they're hungry. I must burger them a go for up.
She hungry, you know. She hungry.
And you say she can't hold her belly. Yeah, because everyone's got she hungry. I'm gonna see where the food I go call upon her. Look there. Where food I go for two?
Then don't you not talking to me. Talk to she. Don't you not talking with me.
Man, I have front. See, gingerbread upon me.
Yeah, come put your mouth down there. Come put your mouth down there, but fan off front bright.
But probably say not the truth.
Yeah.
I might give you two.
Yeah. Go on by your business here.
Which one heavier?
Go on by your business.
Which one heavier?
Come run one, ding ding.
Which one heavier? Which one heavier?
I like this.
Which one heavier?
Talk to your friend for your friend here.
Talk to this hungry belly again, you know. Cause me not hungry. Oh. Who's just not hungry? Your head come. Ask her.
Don't worry about it.
Your head come.
Don't worry about it.
So you can say you're 40 minutes bus down, yeah?
And your man pay for this.
Oh, my man.
You tell me say cuss.
Before
you just fight it
I
out.
where you there go?
Me a walk. Me take a walk.
Let's stop in for morning.
No, where you say you come from?
You know, up there, me sleep up on here, but you know, up there.
Anyways, later.
And you later, come here, so.
Girl, me a big woman, you supposed to draw me, so me ain't no size. You hear me tell you?
Come
Me
here.
ain't no size, you hear me tell
Yeah, there go my friend. There go my friend. Yeah, there go my friend. Yeah, there go my friend. Let's go. Yeah, there go my friend. I'm not surprised. Yeah, there go. Run, my girl. You know, run for now, blood clot. There go my friend. There go my ear. There go my friend.
Let come here, no?
Me say there go my friend.
Let come here. You see me what
Let
I
me go.
friend?
Let me go.
Let me go. Abby, come here.
No, no.
Stop, kill him.
Alright, let's kill him. Go on, Jayla, go on. Abby. Go on. They get beat up, go on. Woo! Come on. They get beat up, girl, come. Abby. You're bunny, girl. Come on, my friend. Let's keep them beat you.
Taylor, welcome up the hill. Watch out. Are you ready, Taylor?
Okay.
You ready, Taylor?
What weird?
You are arrested. Come on, get your
Where your phone then?
Yes, God.
Watch out. How many do you say, girl?
No, you know.
How you look so?
Yeah, your friend, the big back one, yeah.
Oh,
And she don't want to find my phone down there, so.
I know good friend she'll be then if she leave. You feel like your phone done this and she don't want to follow you. Yeah, bad mind friend.
Come bad mind phone.
Why you don't follow the girl going to the back fear?
Yeah, this one hot.
And so,
Girl, me
I'm
have
talking
asthma.
with you. No business if you have asthma
come
or
up
not.
back. Tired in me.
No business. And if it's a different with she, I mean, what kind of friend this you go pick up?
So, Abby, your friend will talk to me, so? I mean, your friend long time, we know this together?
Who you call girl? Girl, I call you.
Hey, Abby, answer my question. You just know she, know?
You're so tired.
You just know this a picture.
Ah, look how she make your skin crap up and something and cut up.
me tell her
Over, girl. She fight for you cause she's a real friend.
Me no ask her to fight me, I fight myself.
Oh, you hear that? You hear what she say? You hear what she say? Hey, look how you could have watch them. Good day. Good day.
I'm bury me get fish and bread fish eat.
So, you're going to
Hear
them things.
What your friend hear what your friend they say? Bury you. She want you dead. Bury you. Hear what she say? Ungrateful. Ungrateful.
Oh, ungrateful.
And this a call friend. This a call friend who want to see you dead. I want to come.
Me never said that.
You say something.
Where does say a while ago?
All if it dead, nothing wrong. What's up with the man girl? We get fish and bread to eat. What's up with the man girl?
No, really, let us say. And that's a friend. And this is a friend.
Who was some good the girl that me though? I know you have to talk all of them Sunday.
You're an idiot. You're an idiot. Look where the fight out. Look where the fight for. And what she go say. You're an idiot.
You know, come on, eat like your biggest idiot.
I am the biggest idiot, girl.
After the girl, they start take your man. They really come back on friend her up and talk to her like say una body and bench. And so, are you a man she take? I did your man she dey take? You take my mommy now to talk.
And that is none of your business. And that is none of your business. Go to your head. You don't come talk about how if she did, you would have just come and fish her one bag or something. Girl, get up and me I come go down there. So if you want tandem with him, tandem with him. Cause I'm a good friend that we are talking about how we make dead and one bag of something. Yo.
Me can't believe.
Come on.
Me can't believe actually. I'm going to big girl for you and then you come this Mr. Okay.
Come on. Your friend you want pick up.
Me don't want no after the girl. Let me could magic girl.
Listen, nothing. We're gonna come down there and find the dead body.
Girl, it's not for one time enough, but a good thing could have magic girl.
Yeah. Are you here with your friends? If you're dead, if you're just dead, son, just that is it. Okay. Blame. Your friend they you choose. So you must go.
Ah, the same place as we fight.
Yes, sir?
Mm-hmm.
So we have plans to go now?
I plan to go beer cars right now. You understand? Look. Me roll with the girl, come where you have to come up.
You cripple bad duel. So how she are? Come on. Okay, so you never get no bus set.
See girl slippers alright, so I'm gonna fight yard.
That him beat you?
I don't know, cause that's no. Me and I did a habit out. And me and she put one in me and put palm back in.
Oh.
I mean, no, me get a fuck in her head.
Oh. My dear, but you must know. Cause I know what kind of friend that take. But I say go, yeah. Say go alive. So that the man.
I mean, no, I'm waste my tread for that girl.
And that's what we say. If you're dead, that means you're just dead and done.
No, the girl makes you fight. I make the girl beat her.
And then you should allow it. And make the girl beat her. And strip her naked out.
But since Mabby did right when them say no, she all have mouth talk when she run. All have mouth talk.
Dirty girl can't give me dirty disease, you can't live with this, you know. Right now, let me just any and done, cause no sense man come and live with them and sit there, you know, you.
That one what you do?
What you mean what me do? You to say how you too? Dirty nasty.
Where getting yourself for?
You too nasty and wicked.
Where getting yourself for now?
What you mean? You can't give me a dirty crashes and you know say you have AIDS, girl.
Alright, when a PP, you born you?
PP bun me.
May I ask you a question?
Symptom can't show so fast.
Me say if you born on a PP.
Sit here nah hanging up.
Eh?
How you do?
Me say if people in born you.
Me no start bun me yet. But me know say. Matter of fact, AIDS and gonorrhea are two different sitting.
Me not happy.
You not happy? Woman a naming thing, you know, so not happy, no we happy. This is Westmoreland I look hard.
We not get the same time. We not get the paper same time. But I left my phone.
Eh?
Yeah. They write my name in a book, so I left my phone. See? You're all hanging up yourself now.
Nearly dead.
So you can hang yourself and me say me not have it.
Me not bother want hang myself. But somebody really go tell me say you have AIDS and you not have it.
I see how you go on. I do want to look money.
You look money?
Yeah.
That's like one love. Run joke.
Say I give me money.
Me I'll give man, what's up for me? It's holy.
No, you're not putting it in my hands, so me hold it so.
Holy. Holy good now, don't move it.
Yeah,
Turn
me
up.
hold it.
Turn up, man. Where you move go? Where you spin go? Turn up. One trick me and
Me
show
your
you.
church, so me have to spin.
No spin and Obi man. Turn up.
Obi man this.
Turn up, no man.
They have red card.
Turn up, my girl. Me show you a trick, no girl.
Let me go up and you go show you say me have it.
No, come show you something first.
No, don't tie me up.
Girl, come show you something before you go up on your yard and show me you show me.
So me go walk up and you tie me up.
Tie you up.
Alright, come then.
And you still a spin? Tap a spinning now, man.
Me can't tap. I like when you're there. You spin palm pole. You know what I mean? So come and me tie you up.
Hold on.
Come me tie you up.
What?
Come me tie you up.
Yeah. Broke all look foot in your wicked girl. I'll kill all myself for cho, you know.
What? Yeah, the big game.
No, listen about with that. See, Europe, I almost hang myself a while ago. And like a dirty girl come and stop me and save a day. Say a joke making about a havoc I want. So you want a look of freckles? You say you have a big A, but
As I talk about that, me just beat the girl from friend while ago.
just
Just so long.
well, I'm going to try to time up a while ago and try to hang me instead. I'll be giving piece of broadboard, master.
You hear that?
What is it?
You hear that?
I don't understand. Where you come from?
So she nearly tie you up.
You know hear me say? Me say me, I got tied up a while ago.
Oh, in the
But
ant's
it's
nest.
so
When
thick.
but her in the ant's nest?
Let me talk now. So thick. I'm look like mark up my foot now so 100% already.
I look at you see how me maga me still manager.
Well, my foot was 100%. It broken 2 times.
Me no maga too, I'm still manager.
Me say my foot broke 2 times. We haul in haul, me feel it pain. So you have to just, boy, I don't even know if to explain it to you, know what, boy. Me free. Disease free, everything free. So what going now?
Just a walk go down this so.
Not real life, man. Come on, go back up on my yard, go. All of these things wash
Next
off.
time you know how to use condom.
Boy, sometimes when I get it, I have a boat and I have a time because if I left and see I get the boats, they will change their mind.
Well, I've in your pocket.
I mean, sometimes I have it. You want to go on, man, raw dog, no, and fritter, man. You ever see a style like it?
No, you tell I see him plus meet up the last time you see you done with girl.
No, I did done again. You're mad.
See you done with girl again.
You're mad. What you say?
Yeah, I'll catch a big A for true.
You have it?
No.
Come on, go up your yard.
Oh, go on your way, scope. I'm not Jada, go on your way,
So
scope.
come on, go up your yard. Like when you have it.
Goodbye.
Raw dog, no one fritter, man.
Goodbye.
How come, Papa?
Hey, listen me. Jal, me no want you call me name with a look disease self, you know. Me no want you call me name. Right now, a doctor me I go look, fi go check up if me I get the gun or not. And then after 2 months time, me go check fi see if me get the big A. Me not in that with you right now, you know. All you do, oh?
Me not have it.
What do you mean by you not have
See
it?
boy up there so me tell him so me not have it.
What do you mean by you not have it? You sure you not have it?
Have it. But they go share me test, but in there go any self.
Who job one?
Yes, me not have it fit through me got a doctor, but me left my phone.
So why the backside? You stop the wife and hang himself. You should have make him hang himself.
No.
You know what fish and bread?
You
know what soup?
Yeah, more curry goat soup.
That's why me say you should have make it hang. That cook a funeral and wake.
But me not
Curry goat. Eh?
Yeah, me not have it. You have it?
Have what? Why me thumping name out?
You not have it?
Me look like me a walk around careless like how no? Back then, I used to breed up the woman, and then you see, back then, woman was the cleanest woman in earth. But you see the not the 1990s baby them. You see the babies that were born in the 2000. And them I make life miserable for the 90s baby and the 80s baby and the 60s baby. Oh no, cause we have a good old relationship. I don't force on yourself in there and give the husband them it and the husband and give them good old wife.
But me say
You feel use protection.
May do it up a bush.
Yes, but if you use protection, that's what me did have it. Use protection. What me say? Protection. Use it, condom, use it.
What me say if you have you say yes.
Yeah, me tell us me have it. You know if you believe it. Don't believe what a man say. And next thing again, if you walk around on a cell, make sure you have your condom and sell to the man them. Make sure you put it on. Cause when you go over bridge at them, put it on themselves.
Remember say you owe me, you know? Me $15,000.
Wait for what? And you did have me a fret?
But you not have it now, me call doctor.
Yeah, but you did have me a fret, so you owe me for that.
Are you owe me?
You know something could sue you?
Sue me for what?
If you have me, I stress out.
Me have one policeman now can't come for you, know?
Tell your policeman to El Bombo. You try that to me and you see what happen. Try it again. Yeah? It's nothing in the head, no, man. Try it. I should not lick man, you know.
But me lick you first.
I must hear that lick your attack.
Hey, Papa. What's up?
You did the about your sister yesterday?
Me just come to tell you. Me just come. Sorry for what happened down there, cause that's not me. Sorry, that's not me.
So what problem between your sister and Galang so?
From her knees get missing.
Let me ask you a question. You're in sister, right? You're in sister. In a real life, I just...
Real life.
Real life. Alright. She a man? Be honest.
She not a man.
She not the one boy, one tattoo boy.
Are you the one she talk about?
Me alone here she talk about.
Yes, she like.
She a breed?
No.
Okay. So why she tell me say she a breed? So every woman...
Probably she a breed and she not tell me. As yet, cause she love eye things from...
Anyway, listen, what me say now. You're a young girl. You're 18. Yeah, you're adult. But every man won't be the same. And every man have the same mentality. If you understand what I mean.
Still no want a man.
Me not talk about say, me not force a man for you and me not look you. Me didn't used to like you back then. But now me know say I'm pinky a sister, me not like you anymore. But as I'm saying, as a 18-year-old, I can tell you to go back in our hard school.
Me I do want to look at wholesale work for now.
What, wholesale what?
Wholesale work for now.
Oh yeah, work at a wholesale?
Yeah, for now.
A pack, what you do down there? Pack bags, pack shelf?
No, cashier.
Cashier. Oh, you do cashier? Marvelous. Has something like, you have to bright to do cashier, no? You have to know if you do cashier. So 20% out of 1,000.
Let me think.
I will get easier.
500. 25, you say?
20% out of 1,000.
No.
20% out of 100.
No.
Backside. Even that you don't know. And you're cashier.
Yes.
Did you know that 20% out of 1,000 is 200? Did you know that 20% out of 100 is $20? When I said 20%, you must take 20% out of each. I could have out of $50.
Look
you
here,
must take $10 out of it.
Them do not do that a cashier. The change, like saying going $5,000 and change left back, it show up on something.
Oh, that the type of sitting there though.
It's sure.
If I was the boss, I wouldn't hire you. Because if you don't know what is the percentage, it doesn't make sense. 5 plus 5.
10.
10 plus 10.
20.
20 plus 20.
40.
40 plus 40.
80.
80 plus 80.
160.
160 plus 160.
Me no know the part there. Me afraid check it out. English. I mean,
You're not too smart if you take off $10 and say that at 20. You're not too smart enough to say take it to $50 and say 100. You're not too smart enough to say take up it $200 and say 200 and then say 320.
Or my head maths brain.
No, I show you an easier way to do maths. Because if we say 320 plus 320.
Well, I know, so them do math easy on exam paper.
No, follow them. If we did say 320 plus 320, I would have multiplied the 20, them say them are 40 and put them one side.
Well,
I would have multiplied the 300 now. I said them are 600.
Well, I know, so maths paper look. How you put it.
Listen, man. You're a young girl. Stop make a fool of yourself.
Oh, me make a fool of myself.
Stop follow bad company. Me take up. You want to be like end up like me?
Who is a bad company?
As a careless father. You want to be a careless mother?
Yeah, talk about Reddit. Is a bad company. Me and her cut off now.
She's a bad reputation.
Yeah,
of
me and her
company.
stop chat now.
Ah, she do a walk around and tell like say she a breed. God push her four pit in her belly one time. You know? I make you so fine.
Oh, 4 pin for in her belly one time.
You know what? You're about triplet. I way want to call it 4 hours.
Triplet. 3, baby. Triplet.
Go do your research. Go and do your research, yeah?
You can sit on yourself. And you step my favorite spot, you know? You well cock up. You see black broken in half. Hello? Oi! No, sir, I don't lie again.
You know, you may talk to you. Me a girl and yawa.
I'm a female. You know, I'm talking to you. What problem? Me ask you to take over the seat. And you step by that seat. You see black broken in half and afraid to broke with you.
Me and that woman is two different persons, yeah? She and me. Me sit down when me feel like to sit down.
You're supposed to sit down on your body, but now.
Suppose you talk, your mouth did shut up.
You that shut up long time.
Okay, shut up then. That irritate me now.
No, man.
You talk too much. For man, you just that. Just a chat.
Hello.
How are this here?
Hello. I'm me at the woman for the house. So, who broke the knife? Who broke the knife?
Meg's knife?
Although we come off on the wrong foot.
You're damn right, you care me like you did want to go sell me since there. So you're damn right, we come up on the wrong foot.
You know, say me like you though.
And you know, say me don't like you?
Me no business.
Me here.
Like you.
Anyways, take a seat. Come here, see your seat. That.
Me no want to sit down.
Oh, alright.
You sit down.
Put the face. Let me tell you this. You might rule them like a string bean, yeah? And my idiot pa, and my auntie, but you're not gonna rule me. You hear? Let me tell you this. Me different. You hear? And you see like how your body weight is up there, you maybe like to love to pee. So you better watch yourself on that toilet. You come on, hello, me a wife is
you know how you're tough like turbit. You sit down and shut up.
Mama,
who brought the knife?
tough is one, but what about you? Me not use knife, me not hear the cook. When you go look for him and ask him? Irritating.
You don't say nothing more.
You don't have nothing more to say?
You have one up jabby.
And your favorite pudu? Your favorite them poiled pudu? Where that force for making a one pan and kudu wall. You see your oversized. Damn face favor greater.
Find your match. You find your match, my dear. You find your match. Man, go on the road. You feel bored, right? So I want to go on the road. But hold on the first. No, darling, where to go?
Bar! Hey, sweet! Oh, you there? Come here.
Our broken knife. Your woman come in shop. Who broken knife? Like she did buy a knife.
Oh, this is a knife here?
Yes.
Okay, let me tell you something.
Me no me boy, bro. What I say?
Let me tell you something now. You see that and that.
Who you call that?
I go find somewhere. Cause me now go there and make them disrespect me.
You did help to a mall or mix concrete or lay block or help put up plan or two before now this?
You hear me say do?
Yeah, right now. And I don't know what talk about no, right now. We have bad news for you know.
Speak your mind.
My sister, like how they come for me, right? And you promise me in front of my sister, say when by the 2 baccalaureate. Right? I don't want to go to shop later, go to show. So where's the 2 backlog room?
This one you can control the
Whoa, yeah. I think my father only there with the 4 you
When a
can
man can
give.
control you,
So,
you can leave.
as what we said.
me I can control them.
But you can control them. Me not said, you know, she just coming out going on a manners. She not no manners, you know. But you see this one here, control it.
Respect go both ways. Respect me and I'll respect you.
I didn't do anything.
You want carry me go wrong all since morning.
I didn't do it. I apologize.
Then
I did.
How can you forget where you live?
I did.
How can you forget where you live? I don't accept that apology.
Correction.
Well, you okay?
And apologize, but you apologize.
Nobody does speak.
Go and learn the vocabulary.
Hello, after
Who
your
they talk to
dictionary.
you?
After your
Why you
dictionary.
not control it, woman?
You the control dictionary.
Somebody-
Yeah, woman, have a audacity if you come and grab it now. Tell her grab me this evening. Make sure I put on my phone.
I'm not talking. Them not
I'm saying
exist.
to you.
Them not exist.
Speak your mind.
I need the 2 backlash rum. Me no want me thing look lily.
Bad rum, bad
We
rum.
don't control the pitney them.
Bad rum, bad
Or
rum.
if more out there.
Your thing don't look lily.
Control them.
You talk to this, your thing look lily.
Bad rum, bad
Hello.
rum.
This when you come here, so.
Bad rum, bad rum.
Hello.
Hello. Cause me look like a cellular.
When you there, but I still pour you.
No man, them time I come in. Them time I come.
Bad rum, bad
The
rum.
woman for the beach, you tell me have a daughter for me.
Bad rum, bad rum. Bad rum, bad
On
rum.
the beach. Fix up your mouth. Fix up it.
Mama, I don't say it already. That mean him have a
My
woman.
friend, woman for the beach.
It don't really matter, cause me.
Cause you have man too, men.
She never said that.
Oh, she said.
You know you're not innocent.
She never said
Every
that.
day in front of your face,
She
she
said-
and the Bible. Why to be honest, I'm come and take a feel that.
That's what I'm that.
You look at you.
Listen me. People might see
Bad
me as
rum,
a junk
bad
father and a
rum.
careless father, right? But at least me never dash out no down. I'm still there.
But you know, feed me from morning. Me come here and know me can't eat.
Thank God,
How
somebody
old are
see
you?
it.
20, right?
How much time you mind me?
Something in there
Never.
to cook?
Have you ever give me a buckle of feed? Never. Have you ever buy a pinanda give me? Never. Have you ever buy a pampas give me? Never. Me not talk to you.
Me not talk to you.
What did I put in your man?
There's a whole list, Papa.
Alright, at least it's out the
She can't know
truth.
that she a baby.
Papa, your what list? One in a hospital, what's her name? She not come, what's her name? Tash. I same thing. She there, I same thing. Kena come here at the same thing. No, she come at the same thing. Yeah, what list, Papa? Me I tell you the truth.
So,
No, me not group up with them, but me I tell you the truth.
I grew up
I no group up, I just the truth.
and you are calling me workless.
I just the truth.
Guess what? Me the man, my shame tree cut. Cause guess what? So the man workless. So the woman work. Right?
You teach me, did me learn from the best.
Can't walk this and take up walk list.
Learn from the best.
Touch this, my daughter. You're right. Can't workless and take up workless.
So me I get the
Big
food.
and
At least me not fit me all over
Yeah,
the
get
whole
the food.
place.
Who
And
to
not
tell?
mind them. At
Who
least
to
me not fit me
tell?
all over the whole place and not mind them.
Who
Why don't
to
you
tell?
Watch your mouth. In front
What you
of
gonna
public
do?
at the end. Watch your mouth.
They have a right because you.
You know, there's a reason I got to get a chin. Because when if you attack, you chuck over yourself. We can't go over hill. You go, oh, you're the car going lizard.
Call me chuck
Oh,
again.
want to that.
Call me
Yeah,
chuck
chuck.
again. Little girl, me kill you.
Leg
No.
off of me.
Me kill you. Papa, one a daughter.
You never see.
One him. One
better
her.
for me.
Little girl.
Check
Come
that.
here, whatever me ever do to you.
Chengla is better for me.
What me ever do to you? Tell me.
Me never see.
Man, I'm gonna find something.
I think it's full time for you to leave.
Should
When you let it go far.
should
Me, I can see it. Oh my God.
Come on.
I can see it.
Don't worry about shit. You are
She
my
well
queen.
alright, you know. She well alright.
You are my queen. You are my.
Daddy. Bakla rum.
Oh yeah.
Remember, say me love the rum too, you know.
You take rum?
I love it!
The premises. Come off the land.
I want to get put out. You can't make rum guy, no, because right now I drink a flask. How you drink it with
I
mum?
know me, and you are my picking
How you drink it with mum?
Yeah, you are my picking
Yes, so get the rum.
jacket.
So get the rum.
Jacket.
Get the rum, the rum. You make Pudu gone. Collect the rum money from Pudu.
Pudu look broke.
That good. So where you go drink?
Go to bar, go to rum. Yeah.
I no really do the trusting business.
Name.
So me can come and get some.
Yeah, right now. The bill over the pile up to $35,250. Right now.
You're kind of wasting time, you know. The truck is still here.
Oh, she call truck Pudu?
Yeah. Big truck in Carolina. You know, see, if you you know them, where big old truck them with the light.
That's what I should move out string bean. As much, oh, mind me there.
Who the big truck?
Me.
Who the big truck?
Me.
Who the big truck?
Me.
We're out here tell her about who a big truck they call me.
No. Tell them me, then call big truck.
Papa, give me the paper.
No, that's the suitcase, so.
Wow.
Get.
One people. 1 P52.
Turn up and piss up. Piss up.
Daddy. Yeah, man, are you boy?
Both of them.
You don't push the piece of Pudu.
Both of them.
You push me.
1 people.
You try moving up.
Push me now.
You try move. You see you can't strangle string bean. You can't strangle me.
What I gonna do with that in here?
Are you supposed to make the last and eat it here, you know?
I'm a cook.
Sure with the bar here.
I got dig one grave for you.
See now, can I go run bar?
You mount a young girl when you have pan the road and breed.
So girl, you get put out and Pudu get put out. So we not plan for those stay out the door together.
Put to what?
So who get put out?
I can't carry him by the bag, but this Leslie, where you going to sleep?
When you are supposed to sleep, have me going near at the door. You, when you want to come in and at the door.
So why you don't take the suitcase? Anyways, it's not my business.
have more.
Come show me where they was bar there. Come show me the bar there, me.
Oh, me do you want to go on the road? I'm pick my suitcase and put it at the door here. You know she angry. You know where she find it from. It's so heavy. Come on, you left right so.
Lead the way, my love. I tell me I want to so the top and pick the lip. No, I can't find the bar. Come up on the last me like pull on the last this morning, no.
What do you mean it?
Are they swing bean?
Just walk on, come on.
Swing bean lead the way.
Sure, me get used to the move by now. You feel like I want to stop down this one. Kind of company.
When are the bar more reach? Need a cup of rum right now. But the man him have some run never done there.
Whoa, murder. Whoa, you put on one, yeah. Where they go?
What's
It's not this.
No, she stop with you.
Okay, man.
You should.
I want to go straight like one of the tank band them. Come on.
Oh,
How we are catch your dog?
You.
Don't bright yourself with me. You see your maga?
Who else me talking
You
here?
see your suck out and favor me and
Who else me talking here? Him daddy I don't even know if you know the daddy fin pick me. Oh no. Think like listen if daddy one.
no man, they come in here no strong.
you did hear me say your father once?
You don't know. Where they go beg him for?
Because your father said going to help
bar.
me. That's the reason why me I beg him and he said going to help me. You not breathe
help
for your
you.
father, girl. Me do not breathe
What
for your
the picnic
father.
So when I come like a Coca-Cola shape bottle.
Who is you? Who is you? Who is this one here?
I mean,
Who is a girl here? Who's she?
what is a girl out of? I mean, stop with bad breath.
Yes, are you Mr.
No, girl,
Come on, no, who is you?
I mean, stop with.
Who is you?
Girl, bread, girl, I mean, stop with.
you? Your favor them mythic.
The man where you beg a film. Pitney maybe. Him and my pa. What problem?
Pitney him one have.
Me shot, but at least me not favor coconut buckles.
You that one I look like a fee, but that one I don't look. No, sir.
Who to tell us to the one in your belly and a jacket? Mr. See me and stop with it now.
But your father didn't breed me.
You not touch
Your father
me.
didn't breed me.
Try when
Your
you're
father
fat,
didn't
you
breed
not touch
me.
me
Your
upon
father
me.
is true.
If I your father, if you choose.
Girl, go on the road.
Look at you.
Girl, go on the road.
What up there? Like a S.
At least the foot bend up, at least you know, still like a you. You're dread, girl.
Just like a you.
You're bright. And it's all this long time. Mad bread, girl, man.
What a big baggy night.
What?
Hey,
Hey, them girl don't know me how. Hey, me I tell Papa yourself to tell them girl them say me and them on a size, you know.
Yes, I
Me and them girl on a size. There is no way me I go argue with no. Y'all bread girl. Oh.
alright, go on.
You can't show me the bar, they can right now.
Go on.
Come to the garlic bird girl then. No. Oh, find the shop there, girl.
Don't let somebody.
No man, it go too far, go drink. No, stop. I want a strong shot.
Don't be surprised to buck up on one.
My head hurt me. How back up on nobody, no. My business, me I go boss. Sun too hot, man.
Look at you there.
Time my glasses. Sorry. You did hungry, man.
Yes, girl. He not both just
Boy, thank you. Thanks, best emergency here.
Are you shut up?
I'm sure.
So come on then, so come me shut up.
No, I'm not you, me know it. You girl, nice thing. But now you, me know. I fuck that.
Oh, come on here.
I'm here from Bounce. I'm here from Bounce.
I was just singing my song.
Sing what song? What the song name? Which one the song name?
Thank you, song.
No, man. It come like say you're none of them people and they come in here.
You tell them God for me. Sorry. Bad man. Yeah. I mean,
Say it again.
Let's go to my role model body.
Say that again.
Yes, yes.
Say it again, baby girl. Say it again.
Let's go to my steer.
Yeah, girl, you want to share my girlfriend.
Come back to you.
Yeah, but you know, let's see you push out 7 feet there already. Yeah, breast then come like I see pick this up on them. And that about they come like an even a whole fish true. But anyways, so I walk one with your people them. How are you eat her? Me not like her no, but me still want to know what you know.
Come out and miss my she me attack.
No!
She me attack.
Me attack. Me attack.
She
Okay,
me
sorry.
attack too.
You should have slapped me. My face I get that too enough. This is the first, yeah. Let's see girl call a donkey. But yeah, them mouth.
You know, I feel like if you walk down Europe, what you are doing? You know, in a yard.
I hear some yard. Right here, some yard.
I should have. And check again now.
You know, donkey. You don't see all this bumper. Donkey not have them a body, yeah. You don't see the foot them bend up. Donkey. I think I should have stopped it for a minute, you know. I think I should have stopped it for a minute.
For your information, you know, say the oldest for this with bent foot. They will understand that.
Look here. Don't bust a secret right now.
Bust it.
I'm listening.
I never shut up.
Go on the rooftop.
No girl can't have
Remember
no
the bike
secret.
man, the bike taxi man, the brown man, we are 20 years old.
Yeah.
I
want your bad man to run by taxi.
70.
Your
No,
bad man
the bike one different.
Me say it's a bad man.
From the
Oh,
old man and other man, but I don't know the rest of them.
Yes,
I lie down with the bike and the one of them you know you lie down with.
Show me that
Don't
then.
stop with me.
You're sorry, so you're not getting none of them? You didn't want one?
Yeah, no, all you get
You
off
didn't want
of
one?
this road.
Unless you didn't come. Boy. Yeah, let's
Why
say
you
you start arguing with the little girl. Little boxer in her face. You can't kill them. You can't take them back and sit chatting with you. You can't make me. You never take my sister for yesterday sitting here now. I get whatever my brain, I tell my head, I'm going to take it down. Who you know about me? It's about the girl. You know, I can't say anything I call it. That you don't get no money. What you trying to say? What are they talking about?
Yes, right there. One of.
Just think you can get tight far. I don't know where you go, girl. You don't meet her down there.
I don't want to see it was in the bush.
Didn't go in the bush fair. You go like say the dad no send fair. You hold up the gas, sir. And before you back down the gas, see ya. Like you damn idiot. Oh, friend, you some man. You don't know what to do. Come. You have to teach me, girl.
Sorry, what
You never seen me come down. And they say you go where the opening concrete there. Sure.
We are going to move your father no done. I bury it me.
I mean in the down there.
You done there.
So when there? You left out of the yard? No man. Don't tell me say how daddy can't keep buying them this. Yes man, I one of them.
No, sir.
One of them.
So she look so. Not one I want to look rich and white skin like seven. When I could have give my big green card or nothing. I look retarded, eh?
Say that over again.
I look retarded, eh?
So where you run, sir? Where you run for? Who look retarded?
You.
Me look retarded and you look what? Sensible? If you did sensible, you hold take up a man without no chain. You hold take up a man with ears favor them donkey ears. And you hoodoo take up a broke man. You hear? So have sense in your head and don't make me have nothing. Girl, come show me what the bar there.
What did you say?
On top of my nerves. Oh man, my name Guinea tell me boss. No sir. I've saw no speed up here upon Guinea. You might get lucky then I'm sitting. Oh God, I drop this?
Yeah, so that's
all the people and Guinea and you have so much girl. No sir, this is not right.
Baby mother is here. If she is and if she is not.
What's baby mother Mundi?
Bye-bye.
Ah?
Mega?
How will Mega?
So I think me and my right man I get up, we go breathe, prepare your pack. I only the money we did want. Only money. All be it your pump in the come out look like a yo, you just long and maga.
Hello, wait up, hold ups. Look for me.
Me I see you.
Look for me.
Me I see you.
Are the same father?
You see me the same father?
I mean I look like her.
How about another opinion road?
To be surprised if 100 more out there. So as you were saying, then I breed for my father. I just say, no, you just said that. So just the money I want.
Yes.
But the last time I check in, I have none. And this time I live off her.
Well, you still give me money because last time me and him meet up, you give me, not the very last time, the first time we meet up, you give me 8 grand. And you look at your face, auntie, fight me and 8 grand.
You never get it. Wait, the sun too hot.
My hand.
Hold up. You never get it. I know your talk.
Your father give me the 8 grand in my hand.
And then me and end up with it.
Your work
and
is
beat it over here and throw it to the ground and take it. You never get it. Boy, I pay excitement from morning. So, yeah, one of my father can't keep by them, right? Yes, one of them.
When you them mysteries and when you adjust me.
Don't touch me. First and foremost, me no moody, and me no papai, and me no auntie. Me and me. You see when you adjust me, you talk to me and you do not touch me. You hear? You see, me been a buck up and papa can't keep by them from morning, you know. And it come like say, you don't understand when them say do not wake a sleeping lion and stop jeer me, cause me making have no head for jeer. The best thing you do is find a yard in a little girl. Sorry? The best thing you do is find a yard and mine you bounce me too hard. Mine you bounce me.
No, listen to me.
You know what?
I'm not going to stay and having to chipmunk.
Only chipmunk here is you. Alvin
and Clyde.
No problem, baby girl. Too bad you can't be swayed.
Listen, if you ever come back, I'm come and check him. Because you see, Uno.
I know that. Go on and come back and think you're going to get no money.
You will see.
Go on and come back and think you're going to get no money. Because me just learn and me want a suitcase of clothes. So any money you get of my clothes, they're going to buy you. No. Let daddy walk and pick up the words out of the set them.
And more.
Anyways, you get up. You know, me and you have nothing now. Where the rum there? Is it papaya? Where am there? Well, I saw me wait for him in my foot. Can't go no further. My love says sit on the concrete. You sit on the ground. It's very big.
Stand up, go back over.
Go do what? Me I wait for the rum, baby girl. Me thirsty. Me can't walk for nothing. Who if you want go back up, go over? Who if you climb back the hill there?
Step in eyes, Mrs.
Donkey. Man, now you talk to me in a donkey.
Midget. Shut up.
Donkey.
A full time now for you nice.
Donkey.
Midget.
Donkey.
Midget.
Donkey.
I think it's time for you to get like a
I think it's time for you to shut your mouth.
You to shut.
No.
You don't think you want to shut around?
You wonder how your man sleep. Then man look on you.
Who tell us your man sleep?
Man look on you.
What you mean man look on me?
What man look on you do? Cause if me a man you know, me not take up no man me feel look up to your mad.
And if me a man you know, me not take up you. Come in want to fucking look down in your face so.
Mama, sorry, but short and tall is a good match. Not tall and tall, me love her tall and short.
Me.
You don't look like you have man overall, because you could never have a man. How you have a man and look at your white shirt?
Don't worry about that.
How you have a man and look at your...
Do not worry about that.
Louis Vuitton, zippers.
Yes, leave it. And you probably need to go and look for.
You told them fit up your donkey. Oh God. Anyways, cause that you know.
More if you look like a donkey, you damn wide up nose them. You know your papa have a phone. When you call
my nose bite wide open, but I don't have a cat mouth. I don't have a cat mouth. You hear? Mine how you talk to me. Because you see them and nose there, them can breathe properly. You see that I'm out there? If me a walk and me see you as a woman and me a look on you, all thing more you do a give me like a heads. So mine how you chat to me. I sickly your cake up.
I will take the time and walk up and pack your things them, you know. And just lead you back to your mother, you know. Because I think you will be better off there, because you got to turn over and dead for you.
You think me and Pudu the same thing? You think you could have put me like how you put out Pudu? Mind how you talk to me.
Remember you come here.
Mind how you talk. And you will live with me over there, being same way over there.
I have no problem living in there. Because starvation shall
shut your mouth, please. Shut your mouth.
Did I rent your mouth? Did I rent your mouth?
Stuff in your mouth. Shut your mouth, the donkey.
Let
me ask Siri how they shut up donkey.
And shut your mouth.
Oh, me not. Hey Siri. No, Siri not answer me.
Siri not answer.
Girl, you're upset, Miss Spirit.
And you irritate me.
Your donkey mouth just
this time me never just make you walk babies and last.
Anyways, don't talk to me. Get a phone and then you come back.
Moody gone.
What do you mean by gone?
She see suitcase so she have gone.
No, me put in it. What none of that?
What mean you put in it?
Nothing me picking it.
Did you tell you put in it?
Nothing me picking it.
So?
Right now they have a bar away from me. Bartender call me say, yo, me see two girls sit down there, the youth them away apart. They say, listen me, I ain't not come over there, you know. So tomorrow, first thing me come over there after me left yard. Me not eat that. Me not go trust rum. I make nobody come drink it out.
Oh, your daughter you talk about, you two pitting them.
You too.
Me never go over there go wait for your drink, few drink rum.
You promised me 2 back rum, wait there. No. No.
You still get more backline.
Oh, my sister, come, shut up. Ringa, Rosie, fashy full of Rosie, yeah. She fell down.
Yes, so you there.
Eh?
Yes, so you there.
I don't understand you.
Because you're sober.
Oh.
And that's why you don't understand.
Me rejoice, you know, my sister, I go to church today.
You know, go run bar today, no?
Sit down, I'm a prayer.
You know, go run bar.
I'm a bless the Lord. I celebrate. I tell the Lord, I say, Lord, don't let me drink no rum. Lord, if I drink more rum, don't let me get no front for the rest of the week.
Me born big and full though.
Me not drink no rum.
Me, your sister who know you more than you know yourself.
You know drink the rum today, man.
Me not doubt that. But him go church. And lightning now lick and pigs now come out to the sky.
Lightning now go lick me.
Me confess before.
Yeah,
go church. Me did I try to take off $2,000 off of your card, but it not work again. It not work. I don't know why.
Oi, hush. Hush, my little baby, don't you cry.
Free me up.
See your freedom, yeah. The two who not tell me say me not need it no more.
Who?
Because she go buy case of rum.
I pray for you last night. I first never seen pray for you so. You better love you now. You love you so Taylor.
Oh my.
I pray for you too. I pray God touch your heart and God bless your little pension. Oh yeah, get.
And him go tap drink rum.
I'm gonna tap drink rum. I'm gonna tap waste money for rum. Me I suffer, you know. Oh God, not do your brother.
Oh, my brother.
I feel true, man. Honestly, believe me. As much as you don't like me, but now say me not like you, know. But I feel true.
I suffer with you.
Oh God, tears are come from your eye.
Yes.
All the crocodile want them too.
Me don't know what them so.
Okay.
But you don't understand, you know, the love of a brother, twin sister, with cherishing sister as a brother. Free up, Bucky cat. Alright, you alright. Give a bit away. Me wake up here in the morning time down there. Just ease me up now.
My brother, how the backside you go rake my yard and you can't rake for you?
Alright, my
You can't
sense.
only pick me up here.
That is true, and not one of them break the yard. So you go leave your yard so and come on mine.
No,
me
'cause
good,
I'm
me
money
have the
that.
gardener.
I'm
Me
money
good.
that.
Me give the money to my gardener. My gardener come and he water my garden and him pick out the weed them and him plant my tree them and he look after the hood and make sure the hood alright and water the garden. Me good.
No, me don't talk about the garden there. Me talk about raking the yard.
Yes, my gardener do that too.
You see, you know, make the money stay in the family. You rather pay somebody else.
You see, let me tell you.
And we how you use your sister money careless, no papa. Me not go pick up for you. But now you're
Dirty girl. You is the one make me use it careless.
I mean, I can't-
No, you use my money careless long before you know she exists.
Okay, good.
Long before you know she exists. And the only reason why me spend out my money upon you.
I know you want it, you cannot get it.
Aye. I know the first gunman come look for me now. Remember me and you have to run. You have to take up my shit to gunman. Eh?
Yeah.
I mean, I have hey, that's why I spend my money upon him because I don't want him unalive. But ungratefulness, you're rich.
But you can give him a second chance because of your blood.
Yes.
Me dear,
Yes.
second chance, you say?
Everybody deserves it.
Right.
Everybody deserves a
If you put a
second
limit on the
chance.
card then. Put
Yeah,
a
man.
limit.
You
Put a
see
limit.
him?
Yeah, where you do your jar the money yourself? Huh?
You see him?
All right.
Him dep on him 20, 50 cents chance.
All right.
Everybody deserves a second chance. Him long fly past that.
All right. I hear what you do now, my sister. No matter. No give back the card.
You don't jar the money.
You draw the money and you can come give me when me need
If
something.
you want to go buy the food yourself and what
No. You can't do that. Buy we should go see come here.
You don't want nothing then.
Huh?
You don't want nothing then.
Yes. The money.
So when you don't want to buy the food stuff, them come here.
She not gonna know how we eat. She know how we eat.
Me
No.
know what you drink.
Huh?
Me know what you drink. And you not eat papaya. All you do a drink.
Just want small amount of money come give him.
All right. I tell you what.
cannot buy rum.
Me tell you what. The two no time to the wait. Me a come. Oh no wait. Time to the and wait. Me soon come. Wait for the money. Time to the don't move. Damn fool.
No.
Move because she not come back.
Me know my sister. You stand up right here,
No,
sir.
you don't. You turn up. Me a go in.
Go now.
She a come with the money. Wait.
Well, hey. Me send some of my clothes gone already, you know.
Me not move. You go buy them back.
Wait till my daughter can come here. And she had the subject and she go and put it out. I go and make out.
You can't take me out of it.
Alright. You know what? Make her go on her back.
She's someone yeah. Bad mind friend. I look back at your phone and you may attack.
Me have?
Then who could attack?
Oh, me a bad mind friend.
He's a bad mind friend. Cause imagine, I be really going to fight for your sin thing and get beat up and crap up and much cut and something. And you will go look for the girl and tell the girl say you not go back down there for the girl phone. Like really girl? No bad mind, you're a hypocrite. Me not like you.
No, sir. I be gonna fight for me. First thing, I mean the girl not something, I be too enough. So anything she get, she deserve.
Oh, anything she gets, she deserve.
Yes.
Oh, that I want to miss with you, you know. Oh God, that's shady even, okay? You need to stop it. You see me? You need to stop it. Cause you see you're not up until you will get me out of the kufa. Cause me can't believe say I be still really go fight for you. All she not no sense either, but she must know. But he's a good man.
I be have sense. Me say I be come on, I be nah here. Then no me to the hill now. Me never feel like she have her phone. Me say where your phone there? So she left it down the hill and me fi walk down the hill to follow her.
Of course, why not?
After me part the fight.
You she fight for, so only thing you could do is just follow her, go back down the road and go and take up the girl phone.
The sun did hot.
Even if the sun did hot, Abby get too much bruise and cut for you. Okay?
It's her fault.
It's not her fault, it's your friend. And you're wicked.
Me did on a friend.
You're wicked.
And first thing, make Abby go and tell us so and go and tell this and rate it. Because Abby just want to get close.
Abby not tell me nothing, I see me see and know. So
Abby just want to get close to you. Because Abby's not a nice person. Let's say Abby's not a nice person. She just want to get close to you.
And what?
If you take back on your man them.
You not going to take them. As me say, if you take them, you're just going to break your neck. Simple as that.
And they call me bad mind friend.
Yes, you're a bad mind. You're very bad mind. And you're just disgusting. I like your girl.
And you know, so I know Abby a good friend either. Remember one boy me used to talk. Many boy did nice and thing and Abby want to share the man between me and her. And two, me never share the man between me and her.
That not nothing to do with
me. Never left the man.
That not nothing to do with me, yeah.
That for sure say when I come to me, girl, you come to me with facts. And don't come to me about a bad mind friend. Because I'm not a bad mind friend.
I want me say, and you're bad mind. Because you would have followed the girl go back down there.
The sun not hot. That me say me now.
That still not say. She go in a fight. She could have lose her life. You could have take Rockstone and bust her head.
Not ever going to fight.
Could have happened.
I say Abby come on, because the girl jump up. I here now and I could have fight the girl. But I say no, I'm not fight her. She don't really look like she have too much sense. Like,
so turn up and make girl beat Abby.
Me did apart them.
Oh, you did apart them. I don't believe you. He's a wicked and he's a
liar. Abby ask Abby.
I don't believe you. I don't know if you ask Abby nothing. I see it and I don't know. It's alright. It's all good. Don't worry yourself.
Good for you too. You look pop down chuck.
How where they go?
Bro, go along the road.
Oh, me just see a friend on this chat about how you still take my man and one bag or something.
Me?
And talk about how you just had there around me. For just wait until the time if you can go and take one of my other man there.
Mama tell why she say that no. You say true because what they me defend her. I'm could have all man the girl, you know. I'm a cut her up and that's why she thought that make things look bad for me.
Well,
you can't follow her. Wait till me see dirty girl there.
And that she says still and she just say you fake and one bag or something. And so other something.
Let me ask you a question now. Oh, me if a fake and when time the girl did I go beat she and me jump in, that's fake?
She said she never tell if we're going to no fight. Like she just say she never tell if we're going to no fight.
Must just steal.
And she in business if you want to get beat up or whatsoever. She said she only parted and she say she just tell us if you come on here and want come on. But yeah.
And I say fight start. Me tell you how the fight start. The girl is stop she by the way. And I throw all of her she. And then them just there talk and then she walk off. The girl jog her back. Like so she want to fight her. So me jog the girl head and start beat her.
You should have never gone to fight for her. You should have made the girl turn up and beat her and lick her down and bust her head out dear. That you should have do. But you will know next time. You will know next time. But yeah, I just see that the girl a while ago down the road. And I just did that chat team and so where they go?
Yes, come off a she because she don't make sense right now. She not relevant
right
now.
Where I go?
Don't worry, me there walk go.
Manuel?
No.
Oh, you're link with your man them?
No. A she, they set me for Pam man them time. They may stop now from me and her stop her.
Alright, then me I go up here so.
Alright.
Probably a car up and then the road, but later.
Boy, I'm tired. I come from mango bush.
Later. So you drift so far. Me not
supposed to feel drift.
Me not come for fighting or nothing. Because if I turn go and run so I make it happen. Something come to tell you.
I can mind.
You know Abby already. I know Makala, that's what she want name. The two girls are plan up something against you.
Plan up what?
I don't know that's what plan against you because they don't like you.
They want to fight me?
As me say, I don't know. If I fight, they want to fight you, or they want to do this to you, or they want to that. But I know I plan something against you.
I must fight, because none of them can beat me. Yes, I beat you one round, so.
You never see it, yeah.
Never see.
You never see.
Cause when I tell you this year grown, so I don't know how it go.
I make up on her, yes, me crazy at church.
Anyway, just be careful around them. As me, Abby and a friend again, and Abby start power with the little giant girl Abby. We can't do her here.
I'm here to she look her man.
Well, I don't know about the part there. So me hear ya. Me hear them say you have disease. I know you say you shot Abby cousin.
I just to the man them now give me no money. Me have to tell them that.
So you like when people, but alright, for instance, you walk at them and say you have disease, and you think say the man then go and believe you say you have disease.
But me not have me have to use as a sham.
So we could use something else.
They don't want to spend money, man stingy with money. Your man never give money yet, and he stingy with money.
No, man, so you know about that.
You have to look one then.
But me thinking if you tell him say you have disease and it's like that not right, girl. Finn will say there son then a bag of man group and say what's the girl have disease, the girl this, the girl that, the girl that not look good.
But me not have it.
I say if you stop say you have disease.
My God, doctor wish there.
If you stop say you have disease, because alright, me know you not have disease, but other people out there when they say to the other man them and then go run bar and then go put their friend now and then say what I want and say they want what they want to say. They might believe say you have disease.
You understand what I say?
Yes, you need to stop it. Because it's not, you know, look good for your reputation.
You know the money for you?
Look like to your bank?
Yeah. I have everybody.
Girl, my everybody is about I don't have any man. No, actually, I'm broke.
You shall look for bills.
Broke. Mango me have. Say not give me money? Why?
No.
I'm come to tell the information?
Yes, you have to tell me information first so I give you money.
Mom just say they want the girl plan something against you.
You have to tell me more.
Me don't know nothing more. I just know them a plan against you or something. That's all me know.
You want whole hobby again now?
Well, I don't know if there's a hobby because I don't see her. I tell you like girl and a friend.
So you don't see her none time?
No. Let me go see for my see hobby.
What she did?
The last time I see hobby, I went, I suppose after you and her fight and go up the hill and send for her come back down for phone. And she go down the hill with my car. And then tell me not see hobby.
So I never follow her go for your phone.
Hobby should have sense. When you have fight and you belongings in drop, you pick them up, make sure they don't pet and brush off. You pick them up and go on about your business. She walk gone uphill and then want me to come up down the hill with her and tell her the sun is hot.
But are your friend? You're supposed to follow her.
And for me to ever fight?
But me I drive her back in the fight and she come find me to some girl too.
That is the thing. She said, alright, for instance, me and somebody a fight, right? And my phone drop. Now when she will say, when I'm done fight, I take up my phone and go about my business. My business what I want to act like me lose or I win.
But I on her walk.
Listen to me, next one too. Don't make me have nothing. I want me to have a go fight. She take up her phone when she done fight.
You happy in the big sir?
Girl, go on my business.
You happy in the big sir?
No.
Oh.
Me even have a cheat on her child.
Have a good
I'm ready to repeat me.
Have a good day.
Yes, Mr. Mukesi.
No.
What you talk about?
Me say no lick me come here
Me
say
no
you
come to
want
beat
come fight
you.
me.
What you talk about?
Ready, just tell me down this so look what I say.
Which redhead?
Ready head.
The one where me beat you for? That little dirty girl. You're
She a
second
Makera.
person. You're second person come tell me about the dirty girl there. Anything she tell you a lie.
I'm on go bush. Me come from Stills and me stay down the road. Say you and Makela want beat me. You know chat me.
Really? You thought the innocent girl, Michaela?
Yes.
That girl? That dirty girl, they lie.
But me say I'm Makela friend though.
Yes, me and her friend because me tell me and her becomes friend. The day after me just done fight you, I'm go down, me left my phone. You remember say I left my phone?
No. When me done fight you, so me go.
Anyways, I left my phone and I walk up the hill. I see Michaela and she asked him to me. So I tell her, say, this girl don't want to follow me, go for my phone back. And from that, me and her cut off.
Oh.
So you find a new friend now?
Yeah, cause that girl is not a good friend. Max a question. If you beat a girl for your friend and she left something, you go follow her?
I follow her because I'm my friend.
Okay. So, you not cut off. I don't want a friend like that.
But still, so I need to get back to close.
Oh, which
You are ready. You are ready. No, me.
Oh, you. No, me. I not go back in no friendship with no bad man girl.
Oh.
Ungrateful girl. Cause me never plan for fight the day there. Me never know say me there go buck up on you. Me never intend to beat you. But as me see a drag her back like you want to fight her. But question, where you are in her?
No.
So why you drag her back?
You remember say you they chop me? Remember?
But are you the stop her?
Remember when me a top link they are good on the road and me stop me say me have HIV this and that and me say me not have it. You remember?
Remember that. So you are from there so? Oh. But anything the girl tell you, I fucking lie. Be careful of she.
Oh.
Be careful of she.
So where you do go?
Just say I walk down the road.
What's up? Where no?
Be careful of she, cause probably she want beat your back for top link. So be careful.
Tapping too good. Tapping too good.
When me tapping too good?
You don't want no bother part.
Yes, let take a girl, man.
Man fi take.
No, wait. You still a take the girl, man?
What me say man fi take?
So ready know you take her, man?
No.
And I bet say they chat to her so good like say you're not her friend. Me no ring a take her, man. Take him. If you want me help you, me can. Me not go take him, you know. Me no mean me I go help you take him, you know. But me can just secure say she'll come and you just go and take her, man. Me just see outside and watch you. Do your thing where do your thing inside and me just watch. If you want me help you, just take her, man.
No, me no want help. Me alone have to do the bedroom something.
No, you get it wrong. Me no mean me I go do the bedroom thing. For example, you and me in bed and me outside I watch.
No, me no want you hear me.
What me say I get? Come well when you take the girl, man.
Alright.
But you up to it?
Yes.
Anytime you just tell me.
Alright.
Cause the girl there, you must take her, man. No wrong you. Alright.
If you are pop the mattress.
My brother-in-law. My brother-in-law.
Me not have no time to tell if it's evening or it's afternoon or what. What friends were just a while ago?
My brother-in-law.
Who are your sister? Again.
Pinky.
That one.
Yeah,
That Pinky.
Sexy sister.
What you call sexy?
Big breast and big body. Yes, we speak on small ways. Very kind of big.
You ever look on chubby?
What is chubby?
You look not so that the way you used to run the place. Chubby.
Are this my sister? We're sexy, don't do that.
No, she's a chubby. But let me tell her something now. I'm not this no woman, I'm not this woman.
Oh,
she a try to scam me and thief me. And if the bigger one can do that, so is the little one.
I didn't come in the long talking. It's like your brother-in-law beg your money.
Hello. I tell you already, take off the brother-in-law off of my name. I am not no longer, a matter of fact, I no longer your brother-in-law.
You're in this family, cause my sister say you were on her day. Husband and wife. The only person she talking to.
The only person she's talking to. And you believe that?
Yeah, cause my sister is a loyal girl.
Yeah.
You can left the foreign and come back and say big virgin, no touch.
I wonder if she tell her to come perplex my life. It not gonna work.
Not perplex your life.
Me no want Pinky too loud. Make sure me tell her that, yeah?
She only loud when time you trouble her, when people trouble her.
Well, me never trouble her. Me never trouble her.
You must have girl
come out of the road.
You must have girl run and make her mouth so loud.
Yeah, when me I tell you, say no. Right?
Hi.
Is no longer a brother-in-law. I only have many wives out there, right? But not Pinky.
I'm going to tell my
Not
sister
Pinky.
Pinky. Yes,
First thing, Pinky can't even buy me a bottle of rum. Secondly, she can't cook. Thirdly, she not dressing properly. Fourthly, she have a sister will love walk and beg.
You don't talk? Thirdly, I'm fix the thirdly one. She can cook.
Why she can't cook?
And she cooking in the house, give me.
On her picnic, so anything what she cook, we have to satisfy with that. Me as an adult, you have to cook properly. 5-star restaurant, 10-star restaurant.
Look here,
them type of restaurant them
Mr.
talk
Go
about.
and buy a business. And when I see my sister, my sexy shape good sister, me a talk about with stiff breast, I'm going to tell her goodbye.
I wonder if you and your sister looking at the mirror. It's one of you one time look a shaggy dog, them a get whole and then here I drop off of them. That's all of favor. Oh God. We're back before it's too late.
Watcha. Why? No, sir.
How do you?
No, man. Me hungry. Me I beg you something. If a man in me just a walk and I pick off a mango, them have 5 people in tree, but it not help.
No, man, mango is fruit, and fruit is good for your baby.
Want something to eat, more food, man. Me not eat for when.
You not eat for when?
Yeah.
That the baby they not gonna live. If you don't eat for when, that baby they could have dead long time.
No, me I beg you something.
Beg me what?
One burger or something. Hungry.
One burger?
Yeah.
You not supposed to beg you one cheap bills, you can go buy one tin mackerel and one pound of rice.
That can't help me right now.
You know how much time you can eat out of that for the day?
Me no want that.
What you want?
How baby feel for burger?
How you know if your baby feels with burger?
Okay, baby, talk to me.
Talk to you how?
And I say one burger.
And you hear that saying one burger?
Yes.
A Superman. Backside. Uno woman nowadays, you know, no general and wicked and liar, uno want to think yam. But the baby feels for one burger, the baby want one burger. That's how no stupid excuse?
Me have headache and I feel like me go drop down, God.
Drop, man, when you drop, you get the burger.
No.
You know, yo, uno woman, uno dangerous.
If you drop me, I go dead.
Uno wicked, hey, uno wicked, uno wicked.
No money for you.
The money with me have right now, you know, is to go to the bar. I'm going to celebrate because I have a daughter who come yesterday. So I am going to celebrate. So if you want something to drink.
Drop them and dead.
Huh? If you rather you drop them and dead? Yeah, man. You can come to the bar and drink with me. We'll celebrate.
I don't want to drink. I want burger. And if I can't buy me something else.
What kind of burger you want?
One American sandwich.
I know your baby want that. Take it and feed it. Mind games. Mind games. That you alone love me.
I can't eat nothing else otherwise from burger because if I eat nothing else it's going to come up back.
Yeah, how much again? 17?
Yeah.
You say the baby feels for burger. You want American sandwich, right?
Combo.
Yeah, combo. That with fries and juice.
Yeah.
What flavor juice?
Any flavor, it don't really matter.
Sprite, Coca-Cola.
Any flavor.
No, just choose. Sprite, Coca-Cola, orange.
Sprite.
See, you shouldn't have drink soda. Young girl like a uno.
Alright.
Don't know
You
nothing
can buy
about
the
baby.
burger then. You can buy the burger and the fries and then just buy juice at supermarket. Yeah.
Buy which juice at supermarket? I go and buy you some rice
I
and some.
can buy me Popeyes then. I can just get one nice drinks with one mango peach or so.
Alright, here we go. Check me down a bar in the next 30 minutes from now.
No,
You will get burger,
Me go drop
Popeyes, Little Caesar, Corner Bar, Winners, Chester's.
Me hungry right
Name
now.
it, you name it. Just come. Not did it.
You gonna make me drop down.
Unfortunately,
right
no Domino's pizza, no down yesterday, you know. But you can get Little Caesars. Yeah. Yeah, man. Wait.
No.
No, what?
I want the burger right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Right now? Alright, come on. Right now. Me give you a burger. Come.
Yeah.
You don't know. Oh, that the one that come here, you know. And you know me one that me have to get little batty. Yeah, me belly have to get flat and the bumper have to rise because Tash batty flat, Kena batty flat, Femi bumper flat, and the one that come with the big old bumper there, you sit there in my musty jacket. No, the belly have to go in and put the fat run at the batty. It shall come. It's coming. Where you come out for now?
Murder. Continue, man, continue.
What you for?
Continue put on the body, girl.
Wait, the bad mind? You jealous?
You're flat. Continue, me, watch out.
What you want? Me no want the audience.
Continue. Should I shame yourself?
You should have shame yourself.
Should I shame for yourself?
Shame for?
You're flat, flat, flat.
Shame for? Where batty you go?
Then I tell work for.
Batty me they take me.
No, you tell work for now.
I feel your batty for me batty.
No, you tell work for.
I feel your ass there for me ass.
You don't want to have that.
When you go over there, go and sit on your block.
Margaret shame.
Whose ass is it? Make me know over batty it be. Feel me ass feel.
Continue, what? Continue.
You know, some don't know where my papa get you from. But I feel like I full time enough to go about a business with you, you know.
Move me.
Want to tie you feel like I am not in a tired about.
Oh, you come back. Jealous over your sister bottom.
Oh, yeah,
where you go pump it?
Oh, yeah, she must have me, papa.
Well, go on, yes, sir.
Oh, God.
She a make batty.
I feel batty?
Oh, yeah, make batty.
Me a do squat and she bad mind and jealous.
Oh, so make you wear the belly band?
Yes.
Where you wear belly band go? You can't even pinch your inch. Where you wear belly band go?
You know, so maybe you say I'm not about you, no manners at all.
I mean, really believe say
you know why she a make batty? She jealous of her sister will come here yesterday.
That's not for your business. You
don't you complain, but all of that they put them batty flat, and the one day the music they come for your batty big.
Are you ass? Why you not gonna do so squats and make
are you ass?
Higher?
Are you ass?
Are you a ass? Why you complaining about people ass?
I can't too much noise in my head.
Like a bummy.
Where your father?
It must go on a run bar now.
They run her back.
Run bar.
Well, me no business what him want. Me no know when they. I feel no day in there run over run bar.
He run her back. Female.
Where Trish there? Where's her niece?
She must go on her mother. Get one call her on her mother.
Sister there? I'm blessed.
Rotted.
I'm blessed.
Are you so happy?
I'm blessed. I'm blessed in the name of Jesus. I'm blessed.
But me not tell her say stop.
I'm blessed.
Me not tell her say stop drink rum.
I'm blessed.
Yeah, but me
I'm blessed in the name of Jesus. I'm blessed.
Alright, junkin.
I'm blessed.
Oh, bless you.
I'm blessed.
For last night he must say blessed.
I'm blessed.
I will bless you.
God bless me. Yes. God bless me. Yes.
So tell the blessing now.
Hey, I get to work. Big contract. Yes. God is on my side, yeah?
You get work?
Yes.
Hey, Tagarin.
Hallelujah. I've got work. And the work is a big contract. I no longer need your court. You can hold your court. I don't need it anymore. You lock it down for me, you keep it. I'm blessed. I'm blessed.
That's right.
I'm
so
blessed.
what kind of work you want to get so you can pay back some of your debt now?
Yeah.
The number is over 5, 6, 7 million you owe your sister.
That
so
make
you
no
can share
sense.
the blessing.
Make a lot of sense.
And plenty picnic for pay back. What? CPA, CDA?
Sis, give me back a card. Me not blessed.
No, you're blessed.
I'm not blessed. I'm not blessed. I'm not blessed.
Oh, no.
So if you're not blessed, where the whole of the money come from?
Huh?
Where did the money come from?
When you just did a boss.
Hospital drop out your mouth?
Why you hearing this over the in your head?
Why
Why you come so much?
She out here. Quat. Complain about the big batty that I come here yesterday.
Do it again.
Why you don't send
The
me a truck
exercise
over one
good.
hill and make it roll down one next hill till it drop boop?
She out
like
here
that?
complain, said the wall of your picnic body flat and the one we come here yesterday for your body big.
It's fact and it's just the fact. You're jealous, you're bad mind. I feel your papa for me, papa. I feel your siblings, them are for me.
Body, make your body girl.
Hi!
Now I'm going in a spirit.
You know why you and your other two sisters them body flat? Or the mama body flat? Fear and mama body cock up. Yeah. That's why for the never that squat because it's not gonna work. You need to buy some full pill.
Yeah.
Full pill build you up.
You know, so the fall period do you better put on some chin?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, man, no shut it a box in the man.
But Popeye, if you never rank with the girl, she wouldn't rank with you. If you talk to them with respect, they will have respect more likely. You have a habit of talking at people. If they not serve you wrong, you shout at them.
Sometimes if your mother didn't listen to me, one time I tell her, I said, dash your back, you know they have a problem.
And sometimes if your father didn't listen to your mother, you would be there and would have a problem with we.
I see how yeah? I never give my mother no problem.
Shit.
No, otherwise the 7th time.
We talk about sit down on my normal spot.
Alright, the 14th time.
I feel for
14 time.
You mean the 41 time?
I will tell you.
41. You lose count after 41, you mean? One man soon come here after.
You know, she say, man, buy her a watch.
Who?
Look on her hand.
You know how much come from? You can afford my watch? Can you afford my watch? Okay, so shut your beak.
You see the watch?
No.
He sell kush and buy.
Just look at it.
No,
I wanna,
no, what we know.
Will you ever buy me from me, you pick me?
lollipop.
Me have the lollipop to look pan and say, yes, my father buy me and
Let me
not
analyze it. Don't see back part. Just show me back part. I have to hold it. 3,500. Yeah. We not both span them thing there, no baby.
Remember say you watch that we are having a house, you can't answer call upon them, you know. You only have to look on the time and that's it. I can collect my calls and my messages them on this, you know.
Yeah.
You know, me watch come by. You and your truck over there, so why you not go about your woman over there? Buy her a chair, put in the air, she can sit down and feel comfortable. That's simple.
You don't feel rain?
Huh?
You don't feel something wet up here?
You don't feel something wet now?
Yes, I spit.
Anyway.
You want to spit what we see a float that them out there.
You see, I love you. But guess what? I can tell you so right now. I am going bar. Meet me at the bar, yeah? This is, let me back the call.
No, you give it back in front to all weaknesses. So me can't all cut it up.
Me a go in.
I go chop it up, because you know you need it no more.
Give her space, me she quat for her bottom.
Yes.
Me a go run
Don't
back.
mind them. Squat baby girl. Them.
Squat take off the gut and the body.
That thing not supposed to be good for the belly.
Which belly?
Me they call it empty sack for a long time. Eh?
This belly attack?
The one that you carry from my brother.
You put something someone not breed for your junkan brother. But all thing me do, I go in and scam them and then forget look on money. I'm realize say you black the traffic. Cause every time you go link Popeye, you did it. If you did it, one is cranky by and girl did it.
Oh God, me have one word for you. Hush. Here, you see when him spend out for me money that me work damn hard for, that no wake up early in the morning like me and work for. So when it's my money, my cock block. But you see when it's his money, you can do what you want.
But you give the money so you're supposed to have a problem.
No. Me no work hard for my money. For that. Me mind my brother for my reasons. Mine and his reasons. Not for mine other woman.
Acha. Oh, she attack me or you?
No, you may attack.
Oh. She know you then.
Me attack?
Back over.
Cause couldn't even me attack.
You may attack.
Look for me look for you. You say you breed.
And so?
And about 10 man are full of belly there.
Oh, who tell you that?
It's stinking in the street. No worry your
In
head.
the street. Must see you do something there. You don't come talk about me. What have I done?
The other father. Mr. Listen to her, you hear? She sick in her head.
Who's sick in her head?
Yo.
It's even a one thing. Is it like how you set up my friend them against me and I talk about me this and me a bad
Don't set up nobody
company?
against nobody.
Yes, set up my friend them against me.
Nope, I don't set up nobody
When I
against
want me just lick out pit to your belly.
I know that, do it.
I just do me not eat.
You really, you know, like see black people have nothing. Just true. True, this young lady supposedly really have a baby in her belly,
But
and you was empty sack.
She have baby in the belly, yes, but you know the pa.
Who don't know the father?
Me not talk to you.
Of course you're talking to me. Once you call my name, I want you to mention
I'm
me
never
in your
calling
mouth.
him.
Once you mention me in your mouth, I'm here to talk.
Lady, do not lower yourself. Here, do not lower yourself. Because when you are carry, them say, do not feel sorry for people because your baby will come with it. So walk off and don't mind her and don't feel sorry for her. Here,
don't mind, 'cause
concentrate on you and your youths.
She's a nonsense.
Mm-hmm.
Come on them too. Boy, I want them at 2, them at 3, them at 4, them and I want at me. Boy, you can't come every day me saying I want hairstyle, one ketchup, because I look a 5-year-old pitney.
I can't feel me hairstyle you talk about.
Who can
I can't never me talk about.
Then who can talk about?
You see, because me don't want to go to jail, me don't want to murder you. So the best thing you do, you go on the way here.
And that move me.
You want me move you? You don't want to put me on pan germs.
You can't lose some weight.
Me don't want to catch ringworm. If me put me on pan, you will me catch ringworm. I don't want to catch ringworm. So go on where you are, go the best thing you do. No have time for you, me dear. I don't have time for you.
How you call up with me?
You.
Me a big woman.
Yeah, how much?
Then if I take big man, me a big woman.
Wow.
Where's
You beat me yesterday, no?
Oh yeah, I say.
My friend beat me yesterday.
So you beat her back?
But my one our friend up there, so I give him 2.
I'm be there today when you come try me again today. Cause you say a 2 chuck there, say no 2 chuck. Now 1 me. See my manga? Wanna jump on me.
I told you and I wanna you.
I say wanna jump on.
You beat her. You beat her. Come in and put me on pan no germs. Beat her back. You turn up there. Beat her back.
No fighting today, right? No, me hear that happen.
So how you want me and her if me and you fi fight her?
No, good on the road go buy one pill. See money? Pill me go buy.
If you let me your size. And some question, me your size?
Well, I'm panic girl.
Watch out. Hold up here so because
Watch out.
your shirt devil look steady.
Yes. J power up too. Look how you thick.
Me your size?
Me your size?
It's when you simp on the road. You know, you go like you don't see me, you see me? If you simp on the left, you take the right. Continue your journey.
Continue your journey too.
So fat and
Kick
so.
girl in her backside.
Kick who? And stay away.
You want to come jet me?
Kick who and stay away.
You come jet me up like how you jet power up.
I don't have time for you. You go run out.
Wow. Don't know who fi frighten.
You're too big. If me drape person now,
Don't know who fi frighten.
You
Just
go
make
down.
your fingertip touch me. Make it touch me now.
Lady go on. I don't have time for you. One bag of chatting with you. Like I have some man problem we want to release.
Your favor
I can't release it for me.
Your favor. How you touch girl? Me say touch me.
Lady.
You touch me for? Why you make your finger touch me for? Look at girl. Go on here man coming in and not chatting with you.
Me must buck you now. Me must buck you. You go on. So
Oh God.
What's ya? What is ya? And you me look for how long you make me up there so weird. Payo.
Wait for me.
Yes.
This young boy.
Yes, I'm see your sister up there so a while ago.
Oh.
Me the act like me now.
So you defeated. Oh yes, it's true. Me left you at the bar and tell me to buy.
Buy me burger.
Yeah.
So me find out now, me want a burger.
Me did go a Burger King and the line full, right? And me go to a corner bar and say me dey buy your food.
I like.
Listen now, but show me see some big batty girl over there. Me go buy one drink. Me say, I buy one drink in the meantime before me order the food. The one drink become 2, 3, 4, right? So me now, me don't know, me just start spend. I saw me find myself for spend.
So you spending money on maybe get nothing for your man. Me tell you something you want a burger.
Me have look at shillings left.
How much you have left?
Yeah man, I have look at shillings. Yeah, look at shillings.
Yeah.
Shillings so time money left.
That can't buy burger. Oh, you junk.
Huh?
Oh, you junk.
How you walk?
You have
Eh?
food?
Okay.
You don't see up a bar.
It's a one bar in the whole entire area.
Oh, you junk.
Yeah.
So that means, say, the whole of the money where your boss and I pan show me your auntie and your woman up a yard, that means the whole like down, they spend it off.
Money was made to spend, right? So, I taste 1, 2, 3, 4 rub. And then after the 4 rub, buy rub.
I'm up a yard hungry.
There you go.
Lord God.
There you go.
Leper never change him spots, eh?
Hey, sis. Feel the Holy Ghost. Yes.
Me didn't know some foolishness you are chat.
Him change him spot because me hear the twin there's such about burger when Moses say him gonna give she burger and sitting. Him never up at the bar, you know. You see the whole of the money when him show up a yard, it done, you know.
Huh.
Bar,
Sis.
take it, bar, yummy.
Me glad say me put my card back in my pocket.
No, sis, I'm teach you something in life. You get money, you spend it. Because you see when you're dead, people are going to spend it for you.
Yeah, and you run to the grave quick though.
Which grave?
You run to the grave quick.
No.
Man. You run for join mommy and daddy and the ancestors them fast.
What you talking about? What are you talking about?
Jesus Christ.
Listen.
I think I need to go back at the
Me
bar.
not even going to study you. If you drop,
No, listen.
I'm going to laugh and say I'm good.
Listen. I know no junk. I just feel the vibes, you know. I is the most I on the most I clothed.
Tom drunk and Tom full nefrig.
You call me food.
Fool.
Food.
Huh?
Who call you food? You know when it's a
Fool.
Oh.
You idiot.
Oh, foul. I'm not a foul. But I will be a chicken one day. Yeah.
And young lady, me kind of slip your age. Where you are do your beg for burger? Yes, 17. You figure go look how work. Summer day I know. Well, if you're pregnant, belly now show you know. Go get her work and get your independence. And this year rely pan. Then you go starve.
Why?
Like him picnic them.
Who you talking
Me not
about?
starve.
Who you talking about? What are you talking about?
Because you is a what list man, you is a what list papa, you is a what list father, you is a hey.
Browning. I remember
If you know what me know, run.
You think that I workless? Huh?
Yes, kind of buy me burger.
So,
Jesus.
see it?
You workless, sir.
So,
Because if you're tanto, then I wait for this drunkard to come back with burger.
You buy your burger. You workless than him.
You workless, sir.
Workless.
Bubbles head.
Yeah.
I style you, I style me. Huh?
It's just the fact of the
Remember, say, I yard you sleep and you eat up there now. I will make your belly run you.
You know,
You finally got to feed them because the chicken bone this is
you
eat.
the truth, you know how long I don't eat in your yard.
Huh?
You know how long me not eat in your yard.
Alright, here what Browning. I go and make you step up my yard, right?
Yard.
You see that baby in your belly?
Wait.
Me want to see how this a go.
She go put the yard the next bar there.
No.
It's like next year she going because I could never the house.
I am a man of African, right?
Jeez.
And I shall have many wives.
Call African name when it suit you know.
From you have the money, you will have the mind to mind the woman.
But you know no money.
Have the money and you don't have the mind. You can't mind.
You don't have no mind.
You not go mind a woman.
And you don't no money.
You can't even maintain yourself. You never daytime.
Huh? You know matter if me yam. My catty up there right now.
Yam. Why you think the catty up there so long?
Yes, the name for true. The name means
ever name means not true.
Oh yeah,
no, me ask if you eat a daytime or if you just drink a drink, but you name. The name means a whole woman up there. Your name good.
Belly full, not true.
We have to eat food for belly full.
Yes, man, you have to yam and get yam too.
Yeah.
You yam and she yam and everybody yam together.
Protein for protein and nutrition for nutrition. You're yamming well.
That's why if it is a yam.
No, I don't want yam.
You.
I consume, I don't yam.
You that are the bumper what you want.
No, I don't want yam. Make the bumper stay.
Empress, pack your little bag and check me up on my yard.
Empress, pack your little bag and look somebody sensible. You can put it up at least the whole night and not quarter the night.
I can mind you. No, watch that.
If me come up there, I live forever now.
Yes, food there. Food there. Me have sugar, flour, rice.
I leave church to you and her. You hear me say?
And me
make sure I call her up to
leave
me.
you to him woman, him, and him picnic them.
Me not business about in truck.
No, that's fine, but just say the ATM lock. So me want to know all I gotta do. Me need
all of them
later. Later, me niece.
Up
which yard? Go find Jesus, me gone.
You not give me money where you did promise me.
Come, my daughter. Help me now. Help me. My VA 150. Help me. What I better do? Yeah, we reach the end. So, back from the Panama party, now the front part of me, they talk about it true. Yes, this is what I'm trying to do. We can't have my people them in the movie and me going on a vacation and they are not going on a vacation. My dream is to make the younger people them have like a decency and ambition and can own their own things, push their own a key, have their own passport, travel the world. Yeah, sometimes you have to give them a little freedom. You can't just have people working and can exploring. So my destiny, if I did get as much views, yeah, I could have carried them. Most of the time I always carry 1 and 2 out of my pocket. Even when the rest of them go over there and they run out of money, I sponsor them same way over there without any help. Because they always try to get extra money because I know Panama is like this. As a land, you spend because it's beautiful, cheap, but when you see the cheap things, them, you tell yourself, yeah man, it's cheaper than Jamaica, you start spend, you start find yourself a spend. Me, the last December that gone, I went out on a family dinner over there and my bill was like, let me see how much it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it was 6 of us and my bill was $100. It was cheap. It was very cheap. Even the hotel is cheap, but this time we are not going to a hotel because I want to film. So we are going to take 2 weeks in December for vacation and the rest of the weeks are for filming. So we'll probably spend like 1, 2, 2.5 months or 3 months. That's the range we are going to. So if anybody want help anybody, I have PayPal, I have PayPal, I think I can use Western Union now. I have Remitly, where you don't have to go to the store. You can just download Remitly and I give you my card information and you can deposit the money there. And I have PayPal. PayPal can book flights. So if you see anybody in there and want to help and you want to contribute $10, $20, $5, because America hard. So I'm not going to tell nobody send on 500 because America is very hard. So one cocoa full basket. So if you can't send 120, I say that towards a person Me have a book when me dock it down everything when time I get it. That's how me do it. Because me always have some book or everything. We dock it down and say, alright, this is from the person, this is from that the person there. So if you see anyone I favorite them, and guess what guys? I'm also gonna have an interview with the actress them where you're gonna see it on a different channel. We so announce the name in the next movie. We're going to ask them some questions and then we're going to put them to a challenge where one of the actresses is going to get $20,000 after the challenge. So the higher, we just start off from 20 until it can reach up to maybe up to 500,000, who knows. If we get sponsored, it can go up. But me, I start off from 20 if you see how it work out. If you work out perfectly, the next challenge, we put it to 40. Work out more perfectly, we make a big jump. We can make a big jump go 100,000 or make a big jump go 150, who knows. But please, tell me what you think. If you don't want me to do the reality, ask them questions, we write down the 10 questions. Them. Even fans can text me in from the number we put up when the challenge, when the interview start, the reality, when you can ask them, 5 questions, come I'll give fans each 5 questions to ask them, otherwise from the 10. So when we're going to start, we're going to put out the number here, so, but not now, we just a pint. We're going to put out the number here, so you can just inbox on the 5 questions when you want to ask the actress them, and they have to answer truthfully. If me go know if they answer truthfully, if they not answer truthfully, they're not going to make it to the next rounds. So you go. Because if they want to win, they have to answer the fans them 5 questions truthfully. What me say? Truthfully. Anyway, peace out guys. God bless you all.